If you want to use voice typing on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then first of all we can check if voice typing is enabled. To do that, we can open Settings, scroll all the way down, and we want to go to System. Next, select Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and then go to Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on this phone. Now over here we can go to the voice typing option. In order to find voice typing, of course, use voice typing option should be enabled. Besides that, you can also download faster voice typing if you want to. In order to start using voice typing now, we can open the keyboard, and then over here on the right side at the top of the keyboard you should be able to find this microphone. If you tap on it for the first time, you need to also grant permission to record audio so that of course the microphone can catch whatever you are saying. So let's press while using the app, and now whatever you say out loud, it will be converted into a text, and if you make a full stop, the microphone should be disabled. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!